Kamjongli Bal Viva Mud Bharat Child Marriage Shikhamit Campaign Hapokhaira States Kala Union Territory Saikora Civil Defense Measures Mikhavai Home Ministry na Hanghaira Leikyang Tor Achu the Tangkhul Express TV Wipaw Ringphawon Zimik in a Pami dalei Baubing Maisai na Nganang Rumsa Nationally Shadza Kami Kam Kawai Kasa nationwide campaign li ngurumda Kamjong Lila Deputy Commissioner Rang Namai Rang Peter na Bal Vivik Mood Bharat Child Marriage Free Bharat campaign hapok mi haira Angaran Amei District Administration Kamjong Kala District Child Protection Unit DCPU Kamjong na makok mi da DC office li kwikaya DC Rang Peter na kahang Bal Viva Mood Bharat campaign hi Ministry of Women and Child Development na hapok kamina Child marriage shimit kawai kala national shinaw bingwi gatam kashe health safety wuivang kasana beti bachao beti bharao abhiyan na kasat mida campaign chi National Education Policy 2020 kala 2047 kum haksang resang kahai India ngasahai rasakawai ningrin li ngsunda kasana kachi DC na hangsanga Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 hi thei thangmeng sakhawai darga saya kachi hangda district chiwi khanawa shim mawa shungrang lakha aina tangda campaign chi lungsanglak aina sakhawai DC na kasatsanga Bal Viva Mood Bharat campaign maramli Kamjong District Child Protection Officer M Robinson na hangjitheya Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 we azingli shinaw chingum thrada chishat we azing kala mayanaw chingum magkuda akha we azingli shadza khami mamayamana chikatha kasala penalties laya kachi hangjitheya Kala Child Marriage Hitharan Child Helpline 1098 li hangkhawai kasatsanga angaran angye chili gzang pingna Child Marriage li ngsungra kachi twingashit khwingroka angaran angye chili District Child Marriage Prohibition Officer ADM SDO Kamjong HL Jain MCS Kasom Khulen Phungyer kala Saham Phungwi Block Child Marriage Protection Officers SDO Sping A Rohini Kumar MCS Smith Nimi Ajingungshi Khamrang MCS Kala Subinsan Sabam MCS Atum Wazanga DCPU District Administration Kamjong DLOs Officials Kala Staff Ping Wazanga Civil Defense Act and Rules of 1968 we azingli Civil Defense Measures Mikhavai Ministry of Home na States Kala Union Territories saikorali hanghaira Indian Pakistan tensions murder khalei alungli Civil Defense khangaran mathang sakhawai hanghaira Chakshida attack sada khalei atam hili Civil Defense Rules 1968 with Section 11 azingli measures Mikhavai State Chokale pangshop mida yangshena attack sa atam li State Chokar Yawi kala property li ngak mikhavai kala khamataya services ngak mikhavai phaikar khwikhavai hanga Home Minister na State la Union Territory pingli GT mida kahang Section 11 CT Rules 1968 G invoke sada darga kasa emergency procurement powers State with Director Civil Defense li mikhavai poya Union Home Minister Amit Shah na thanda Director Generals of BSF CISF BCAS Home Secretary Kala IP Director Zangda Pakistan Border aina airport with situation review sahaira kachi PTI pau aina samphanga ituna thepai pemthang Pakistan Jammu and Kashmir Kala Rajasthan ne coordinated drone Kala missile strikes saya chi dalei Indian defense officials na kahang Pakistan wi aina khara threats kuchunga India wi air defense systems na khamkhui hawa Pakistan na kasaje Pahalgam attack wi Thili Indian Army Forces na Operation Sindoor khawale ngahan kakana Operation Sindoor azingli India na Pakistan with terrorists apam chikole strike kasana Rakhara Shuai Lili Panithili Miss Shuai Lili Committee Edition Rungmi Khawai Ngaran Pinghairo Ngahanji Miss Shuai Lili Organizing Committee The Indigenous Foundation TIF na Beauty for Humanity kachitukui azingli makhok mira Miss Shuai Lili we grand finale chi Ajui tarik magada kutumthang Wangayan Shuai Li Rungmira Ngahan Jili Zangkhawai Imphal audition kachang hiwi tarik tharathang hotel 4OB North AOC li rungmira ukrul audition na tarik thrada khani thang dangan park li rungmira kachi makhok me na pau mishokhaira Ningasang contestants saikorana chipui ka high application form kala details katai sangda audition pom chili wazang baira maninga kha form che audition apom chili la ngalang da khuilaga changbaira da hangdale manipurli makapam pingwiwang kala kharam machat kapai ka haple ka high pingwiwang online audition la shomiya online audition mingchan kasahi tarik thrada kuthum ngushun pungbaro aina tangda shomira chidale aspiring candidates saikorana organizing committee with guidelines shurpulungra kachi hangsanga audition ni kapangu khuiping grooming wuivang ukruli pamra grooming chi tarik thrada shini aina thuida grand finale bashungra chile amanta ki kachi kashak gaja kapi kapam kala kos katei mukhok mena phungmira achumi costumes makeup ukrul waina shure kaka hikatatha hi sponsor na mira da chanpau chili hangsanga Miss Shuri Lily 2025 li khamataya titles kuthum kaja ground winner first runner up kala second runner up lay subtitles shini kaja Miss Humility Miss Pvt and Pangte Miss Graceful Work Miss Perfect Body Miss Talented Miss Beautiful Smile kala Miss Popularity Leira Mingpho Psychology Selective kala Attractive Prize Cash Mementos Certificates Gift hampers hikatatha hi event partners na mira chidale Miss Shuri Lily ground winner li saman lupa lak kuthum first runner up li lak akha second runner up li thing hangshini da phanga mira chidale subtitle khuyi pingli lupa saman lupa thing mukrip mira da Miss Shuri Lily organizing committee the indigenous foundation na pau mishoka Tangkhul Express Thana Manjuri University na DM University Admission Wuivang Career Counseling Come Help Text Rungmi Dalei Tangkhul Express DM University TKLD MU na DM University li Rajang Khangai Tangkhul Express Kutong Wuivang Tangkhul Baptist Church Imphal DBCI Compound ni Career Counseling Come Help Text Hai mi Dalei Tangkhul Express matailak aina ukrul kala ramui aina tambak le admission ta ka sa hili Tangkhul na kuchung khawiwang atuyara mushakhang rok apamma kathei katatha hina trakha hapkhano lengrok hauda kala higher secondary we aina college rakhang che kala subject ka kapangwe apongli makathei kuchung kha khalei kuchot khalei li rinda TKLTMU katamna volunteers na DM University we azingli khalei college mati we undergraduate admission process atam hile ngachon mikhavai otmuruthi singagana colleges pingchiya GP Women's College DM College of Arts DM College of Science DM College of Commerce hiping hiwiwangna ngachon miki kachi otmurut pingna DM University azingli khalei colleges ping we admission form kala prospectus haimira course options kala subject combinations we maramle hangjithera documents angaran angye kasali yangsang mira college shim hostel kapha kala university college we maramle ngasam khangarom leira entrance test kala watermarin le kanalaki kichi career counseling la rungmira TKLD MU help text we service hi kachang hi we tarik maku aina tangda DBCI compound ni Tangkhul na gutong wuivang shokhamina sangranda mingchan kasa kala aman malaimara working hours atam da ngathor pungthara aina thuida ngushun pungkuthum aina tangra maram hiwiwang 8132062429 maninga kha 9863384214 le hanwa paira Naga issue kala maram ngatai the wuivang Council of Nagaland Churches CNC na shini thang special prayer kala fasting chisha thaira Naga nauping makapha makhaya kasa mangla ring ni swikata corruption kala divine principles le kahat leihawa da ningatai khawai ngahuiri aina vareli ladung khawai kakathong maram CNC na kapishoka kala mangla ring wi khawa thili Nagaland wuivang mang maningla India wuivang la seha sami khawai CNC na hanga seha kasa fasting angaran angye je rakhra tarik thrada khani wi aina hapok da thrada shini aina tangra kala kakhum atam kup khai thili Sampat kahai kasagaza zakavai hapta alung chili sa khai haru higatata hi mashai khavai hanga khalata we more wuivang national more wuivang Indo-Naga peace process wuivang Indian authorities kala Indian army we integrity wuivang NSCN wuivang Nagaland CM states ministers MLAs MPs kala elected kathana bing wuivang Nagaland, Manipur, Assam, Arunachal, Myanmar le khalei Naga civil society organizations, host kala human rights group ping wuivang, army chief senior military leadership, Naga army personnel ping wuivang, Naga tribe wuivang, Naga bureaucrats kala Indian armed forces, civil services diplomacy li chatta khalei Naga naw ping wuivang, mushum mukhui yangmei ping wuivang, Naga Christian kathana ping associations, organizations, missionaries wuivang, Naga political groups wuivang, friendly nations, Naga liga katom ping wuivang changda sehagasa fasting ji khuika khawai CNC na hanga sehagasa kala fasting ji national workers saikora NSCN members saikora CHQ GHQ units regions local churches pingla sharuk khui khawai CNC na ngothaira State le popular shokar makasem wuivang civil society organizations tharada shini gazang People's Progressive Alliance PPA Manipur Legislative Assembly we member pingli makhamaya phongshok haira press kazibli khamatwili BPA li gazang imagi meirawe president thokchom Sujatana popular shokar makasem je MLA pingli phen haira president's rule haira kacham kuthum kananai hailala state manga khawa malaitura mathethura da popular government khira khawai kapo BPA na statewide signature campaign khaying tarik thra phanga thang haphoka Manipur le popular shokar sem khawai Prime Minister le memorandum mikasang MLA mukuda akhawing chaile khipa khana atumi campaign chile mathada mangahan kami thuwa da Sujatana maringapha phongshok haira MLA guthumna haguphogle campaign chile katoma khanau da tathui hawa da hangsanga shokar leilakhala separate administration kapo MLA tharawi tungle kachanga tuitak mukhimi thuwa da Sujatana makhamaya phongshoka Congress nala PPA na kasa chile maning sang mithuwa kachi PPA wi minganing china phongshoka Clean Imphal City campaign maramle Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana thanda aya high level review gazip pamhaira gazip je municipal administration housing and urban development MAHUD wi meeting jangda conference hall Raj Bhavan Imphal lipama MAHUD we Principal Secretary R.K. Dinesh Singh kala Director NG Udam Singh na campaign chiwi khamataya maram la kashok kazang hangjitheya Municipal Waste Management khamakhaw kajib kakhui phungwa kasa kala waka herwe maram ngasanna atumna ot kasale kahap samkaphang la chili makan khui kapai strategies maram ngasanna third khamai sustainable kasa Imphal semkhawai shongza maramle MAHUD officials pingna hangjitheya atumna smart waste management bioremediation waste to energy technologies Lamden solid waste management plan kala Imphal East district le processing plan kathar khira khawai maram ngasanna da hanga India with emergency health systems kangaran maram review sada Union Health Minister JP Nadana Health Ministry with senior officers pingling so that high level kajib pamhaira emergency atam le medical kangaran kathali khala kachi hangjitheya ambulances high khami medical supplies akap akai ari arai higatha chada kahai la bed machine ICU HDU jangda hospital kangaran PHI SHM cubes Advanced Mobile Trauma Care Units higatha hi kangaran maram ngasan haira kankhana drugs ashi Oxygen Trauma Care Kits higatha hi mathada leng sakhawai arishang kala medical institutions pingli hanghaira AIMS New Delhi kala Central Shokar arishang pingna doctors aina nurses kala supplies gzem khuida deployment wuivang ngaran hairo chiya atumna state kala district administration armed forces doctors nurses paramedics regional associations private sectors hospital charitable institutions higatha le ngasan khawai hanghaira disasters preparedness wuivang nationwide mock drills AIMS BGI MER GIPMER kala Premier Hospitals pingni sahaira Emergency Healthcare CPR wuivang Additional Training kami First Aid kala Basic Life Support wuivang Capacity Building samamandalai Chile Indian Red Cross Society National Institute of Health and Family Welfare AIMS New Delhi kala IGOT la changdalai Medical Emergency Response Health Systems Saikora Atam kuchida mupung phada Mikhavai Union Health Minister na jizumi haira kala state sarkar we aina ground level maleilak aina district levels lay rate pumping le immediate emergency healthcare wuivang hanung hanwa mathada leng sakhawai hang haira Operation Sindor Chatakhle Armed Forces le Kakatom Chithaida Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC na aya Imphale Tiranga Yatra Chathaira Yatra 3 kilometers mati shika chada Congress Bhavan Wiaina North AOC Washunga Senior Congress Kathana being former Chief Minister Okram Ipopi Singh AICC member Kayakha MPCC President Kaisham Nikhachandra Kala former MP Thokchom Menyala Gazat Jili Zanga Party Workers Kala Urjumnao Pingnala Rally Jili Sharokwida Indian National Philansingda Ngalei Kokha Sada Khalei Pongshoka Okram Ipobi Singna Terror Ochok Jili Makhamaya Kala Armed Forces Le Katomda Khalei Pongshoka Palgam Ocho Jili Khayon Makhalei Mi Ping Tisanghaira Sada Khalei Hi Pakistan Wi Ichumcham Yawili Kangamu Maning Mana Kha Ituming a Lele Satsaki the Khalei extremist forces le Kangasungna the Ibobi Nahanga Itumi Kapinga Shibai Pingwe Kunugli Itunga Ningshiya Leisalala the Ibobi Nahangsanga PMMSY 2024 to 2025 we azingni schemes ngatate the wuivang from mikhavai Ukhrul Kamjong districts fishery officer na nghodalai Ukhrul Kamjong districts le khalai deserving la ningasang pingna PMMSY 2024 to 2025 wuivang from district fishery officer we office we aina khuipaira district fishery officer AS angamna mikusok pau athishuda form ji ajui direct thada khani we aina hapokda kachang hiwi thumra aina tangda misokra form migasang makhu jun direct thada khani na khanawa Zimik ngasara achukum shuri lili phani thili Manipur state Vanau Nongin Kala State Awan Shuri Lili Khavang Kukui Wuivang Mayer Nawe Marathon Ngahan Rungmigida Leisalala Marathon Ji Rakhara Tarik Trada Shini Thang Rungmira Angaran Angiye Ji Manipur Forest Department Kala Seven Sisters Foundation na Manipur Olympic Association we Kutom Khami Jangda Mukhok Mira Marathon Chile Mayer Nau Chingum Makhaila Jangbaira Sharuk Kukui Saikorali T-shirt Mira Ngahan Chile Jangkhawai Mingchan Aman Khuimira Shongja Khangakhui Ji District Forest Office DFO Eina Shuri Khu Kashungda Kilometer Tharada Akhapaira Mukhok Mena Paumi Gshok Athishuda Ngahan Jiwe reporting atam Ngothor Pungphanga reporting apam DFO Ukhrul headquarter document stamp size passport amu akha kala athar xerox copy jangra marathon le kajang pingli shuri we aina Ukhrul headquarter khalem aina phungamira marathon khuriya le saman lupa thingthumra kakhane le thingmak kakuthuma le thingthara top 10 consolation lupa thingkhani shaphanga ship mira Ngahan Chile Jangkhawai from Ukhrul Central School Kala Royal Gymnasium Ukhruli Haimiya Ngahan Chile Jangki Gachipingna Robert Maitele 60095778996 li call sapaira online mingchanla number jiaina sapaira maram hiwiwang 8798138697 lila nghanwa paira
Ukhruli Khalei St. Joseph College li 2025 to 26 academic session with admission hapokaira College Chile Bachelor of Arts, BA Honors, English, History, Political Science, Sociology, Education, Economics, Bachelor of Science, BSc Honors, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, Zoology da program ngatataytali, Bachelor of Social Works program lalaya. St. Joseph College Ukhrul na kami Bachelor's Degree course chi Manipur University li affiliate kasana. Itong natay by 2015 gum tharkat ka St. Joseph College hi Ukhrul District with Kare Catholic College ngasai. Singkum chiko zadra ka hai longley college chiwi kadam now chishat kada Manipur University rank holders sampangairam. St. Joseph College Ukhrul Ringphawon admission forms college office li sampangra hiwi maram 9862 309173 maningakha 8131974175 lila ngahan va paira email address kala website screen azingli yamkhui paira
Latluida ajui khamataya pauping Kamjongli Bal Viva Mud Bharat Child Marriage Shikhamit Campaign Hapokhaira States Kala Union Territory Saikora Civil Defense Measures Mikhavai Home Ministry na hanghaira Aju pau henang changhaira pau ngana da klei Nathum saikora le ringapha kala khamahaya Zimik sho usasarano